Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are unboxing the Sony PlayStation Dualsense wireless controller for PS5, and this is the black version, full black. And yeah, as you can see, this is Japan set. So I don't have the local warranty in Malaysia here. But without further ado, let's open it up. You know, Yorikanjiru game with Taiken, or I think this is Taiken, right? Game Unai, no, blah 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 blah, stuff like that. Yeah, let's unbox this. So just open this up. Got this at 270 ringgit off Shopee. I'll put the link down below. But if you can afford the Malaysia set, which is at around 300 ringgit, definitely go for that. But for this, I think this is 3 months supplier warranty. So this is how it looks. Pretty simple, nothing much happening in the box. All paper box. This is the controller itself. We'll set this aside. And here's the manual. Yeah, nothing else in the box. No charging wire whatsoever. That is some cost-cutting measure, I guess. All for environment purposes, I don't know. Because people who buy this controller will usually have, which is usually their second Dualsense, right? But I digress. I mean, people can buy for their PC. Yeah. This is the controller itself. It's full black. Pretty feels good. Texture. It's a bit different than the original one I have. This is the white one. I don't know. Yeah, maybe they're the same, but yeah, all shiny. And as you can see here, there is no MCMC logo. That's the logo for the Malaysian market. They need to get an MCMC logo. But yeah, I can pretty much confirm this is genuine, because you know, one of the unique part of Dualsense is you can see all the PlayStation's logo on the grip here, and this has it. And yeah, I think this is pretty much genuine. So yeah, and let's do a quick side-by-side video here, just letting you see how it looks different. In this is the original and this is the full black. So yeah, and also the reason I get black is just to help me differentiate between the controllers. Otherwise, I don't know which one is player 1, player 2. Yeah, and for 270, it is getting, these controllers are really getting pricey, you know, when it compares to the DualShock 4 era. But yeah, given the haptic feedback, the speaker, the loudness, USB-C, bigger battery, the adaptive trigger, yeah, perhaps it's worth the price. So let me know what you think on this black color, or is there any other color you prefer to have? So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video if you find it useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.